To display the news from Wall Street Journal, go to the Apps tab and add Wall Street Journal. Give the app a name and a description if needed. Then select the type of news stories you want to display. Set the refresh rate, which is how often the news app will refresh and update. Under Post settings, set the number of stories you want to display here. Then set the orientation based on how you set up your screen. If you toggle off Display Post Image, only the text of the RSS feed will be displayed. If it's toggled off, you can toggle on Show News Logo instead. If you want to show progress tiles, toggle this on here. Set the duration for how long each news post will be displayed in seconds. Then customize the font and colour of the app, or keep default selected. You can set the default duration for how long the app will appear in a playlist. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Click Save and your app will be ready to display.